back to another video from Built by Miller. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be throwing new emblems on the front of the car. I've got the blacked out badges for here. I've also got some PPF that I'm going to try to throw on the headlights. We'll see, hopefully that works out. And then we also have some black badges for the back of the car that we're going to throw for this actual logo that says Supra and that Toyota emblem. I'll show you those real quick. So here we've got the black badges. I managed to get the back actually matched to the nocturnal black for the front badge, and then this is the back badge, and then here's the Supra logo. This kit came together with the little bit of fishing wire and these prep pads. I got it from a guy on Instagram. I'll put his handle right here, and then these are this is the PPF for the windshield. Front installed, looks pretty good. And then we also got the back installed. I don't know if you saw it, but in the time lapse I tried to install the PPF on this side, on the driver's side. Completely failed at it, ripped it off. I'm just gonna run it without PPF. Maybe later on I'll pay a professional to get that done. But yeah, if you got any tips or hints on how to do PPF, drop them in the comments. I could definitely use some help. And then I got the back installed. Looks pretty good. I also removed the GR badge because I think it makes it look a little bit cleaner. And then as you can see, I've got the black Supra logo with the black Toyota emblem there. I do kind of wish that this was flat to kind of match that, but I think overall it looks pretty good. Definitely changed the look. Hopefully this video was helpful for you if you're trying to install these emblems. A couple tips I would give you is when you're using the fishing wire, wrap it around like a marker or something to help you not destroy your fingers and your hands. And then on the back emblem, I would probably come from the bottom up because the pins are up top. So when I was trying to go left and right, the pins were keeping me from being able to actually get to any of the adhesive that's taking it off. So this video is helpful to you. So go ahead and subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.